Based off of the article read, out of 288 older adults through the ages of 65 to 87, there was research testing and one that showed that older adults, as a group, may have lower concerns about death. However, as individuals, older adults may have stronger fears of approaching their death. For example, there are fears of increased likelihood of their death, they have fewer years to live, increased likelihood of reduced personal control over mental and physical health problems. Unfavorable environmental conditions can generate a new fear of death, elicited by medical illness that can put immediate threat to an older adult's life. The fear of a prolonged dying process and a fear of abandonment at the time of death have been known for the top two concerns of older cohorts in the Western world. Some other major concerns that older adults have are the following: the fear of non-existence, the fear of obliteration, and of being forgotten after their physical death. Relating the textbook to the article, there are many different factors that can lead to many different fears of death. In Chapter 11 of the class textbook, it states indicators of how multiple different changes can lead to stress and fear for older adults. For example, relocation. This is moving from one setting to another and represents discontinuity between individual competence and their environmental demands. An example of relocation: an older person whom has lived in the same home for many years will require more time to adapt, even if the move is perceived as an improvement to a better, safer, or more comfortable home. Another example is a relocation that entails extensive lifestyle changes, such as a move to a retirement community or a nursing home. These require more time for adapting. Older adults who move voluntarily often feel more stress before their move rather than after, compared to other adults who move less voluntarily. Regardless of the nature of the kind of move, most older adults have feelings of loss associated with having to give up their possessions and familiar settings. The majority of moves by older adults occur within the same state. Generally, older adults are less likely to move to a new community, unlike their younger counterparts. However, they are more likely to move to a different type of housing within their said community.